Welcome to Learn with Asra, GK at your fingertips. In this video, we will cover April 2025 current affairs. Here's your first question. Who became the first Indian to win the Fred Darrington Sandmaster Award? Right answer is B. Sudarshan Patnaik. What is the name of the military exercise conducted by the Indian Air Force following the Pahalgam terror attack? Right answer is B. Exercise Akraman. On what date is World Autism Awareness Day observed annually? Right answer is B. April 2. Which place is known for the betel leaf that received a geographical indication tag? Right answer is D. Kumbakonam. Where was the 6th BIMSTEC summit held in April 2025? Right answer is C. Bangkok, Thailand. In which Indian region was the free bus service for women launched for their comfort and ease of travel? Right answer is A. Jammu and Kashmir. Which country honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with its highest civilian award, Mitra Vibhushana? Right answer is C. Sri Lanka. What is India's rank in terms of the largest railway networks in the world? Right answer is D. 4th. On which date is National Maritime Day celebrated annually? Right answer is B. April 5. Who received the City Key of Honor from the Mayor of Lisbon during a visit to Portugal in April 2025? Right answer is D. Draupadi Murmu. Who has been appointed as the new president of the Asian Cricket Council? Right answer is B. Mohsin Naqvi. On which date is World Health Day observed annually? Right answer is C. April 7. Which country has constructed the world's first 3D printed train station assembled in under 6 hours? Right answer is A. Japan. Who won the gold medal in the men's 70 kg category at the World Boxing Cup Brazil 2025? Right answer is D. Hitesh Gulia. Who has been named as the 52nd Chief Justice of India? Right answer is B. Justice B.R. Gavai. In which state was India's first on-board train ATM introduced in April 2025? Right answer is B. Maharashtra. Who has been appointed as the new Deputy Governor of the RBI? Right answer is C. Poonam Gupta. Where was the first phase of the Naval Commanders Conference 2025 held? Right answer is B. Karwar. Who received the National Maritime Varuna Award during the 2025 Maritime Day celebrations? Right answer is B. Rajesh Unni. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of FICCI's Media and Entertainment Committee South? Right answer is D. Kamal Hassan. Who won the ICC Men's Player of the Month Award for March 2025? Right answer is C. Shreyas Iyer. Who has been recommended for appointment as Chief Justice of the Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court? Right answer is D. Arun Palli. Which organization introduced Aadhaar-based face authentication for generating and activating UAN through the Umang app? Right answer is B. EPFO. Which company became India's first unicorn of 2025 by surpassing a $1 billion valuation? Right answer is A. Juspay. Who has been appointed as the Deputy Chief Information Officer at the Bombay Stock Exchange? Right answer is C. Viral Davda. On which date is World Parkinson's Day observed annually? Right answer is D. April 11. Where was the Global Technology Summit 2025 held? Right answer is A. New Delhi. Which city hosted the SITRI Summit 2025 on women's safety and empowerment? Right answer is B. Hyderabad. Which country's airport was ranked the world's best airport in the Skytrix World Airport Awards 2025? Right answer is B. Singapore. Which state government has declared a new wildlife sanctuary named Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Abhayaran? Right answer is B. Madhya Pradesh. Who was awarded a knighthood for his services to cricket in Rishi Sunak's resignation honours list? Right answer is A. James Anderson. Which state received a GI tag in 2025 for its traditional Randia silk and Khasi handloom products? Right answer is C. Meghalaya. By how much did the RBI reduce the repo rate in its recent monetary policy decision? Right answer is C. 0.25%. Where was the Himalayan High Altitude Atmospheric and Climate Research Center inaugurated? Right answer is B. Jammu and Kashmir. Who has been appointed as the whole-time member of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India? Right answer is B. Swaminathan S. Iyer. On which date is World Homeopathy Day observed annually? Right answer is C. April 10. Who was honored with the Master Humor Award at the 2025 Macau International Comedy Festival in China? Right answer is B. Amir Khan. Who became the first African woman to serve as the Secretary General of the Commonwealth? Right answer is D. Shirley Bojway. Which state became the first in India to implement scheduled caste subcategorization? Right answer is B. Telangana. Which state is hosting the Khelo India Youth Games 2025 for the first time? Right answer is B. Bihar. Which state received 2 UIDAI awards in 2025 for excellence in Aadhaar implementation? Right answer is D. Meghalaya. Which company conducted the historic all-female suborbital space flight in April 2025? Right answer is C. Blue Origin. Which state government has launched the Pink e-rickshaw scheme to empower women? Right answer is A. Maharashtra. Which city is recognized as the origin of the Banaras Shehnai recently awarded the GI tag? Right answer is A. Varanasi. Where was the Defense Literature Festival Kalam and Kavach 2.0 held in April 2025? Right answer is C. New Delhi. Which state won the 15th Hockey India Senior Men National Championship Trophy 2025? Right answer is A. Punjab. Which region's Chief Minister launched the eSehat app to improve digital healthcare access? Right answer is A. Jammu and Kashmir. Which state has officially declared DPS Flamingo Lake as a conservation reserve? Right answer is B. Maharashtra. Which country has introduced the world's highest bridge called the Huazhong Grand Canyon Bridge? Right answer is C. China. Which country is the host of Exercise Desert Flag 10? Right answer is D. UAE. What is the theme for Earth Day 2025 celebrated every year on April 22? Right answer is C. Our Power, Our Planet. Which city became the first in India to issue a certified green municipal bond to fund a tertiary sewage treatment plant? Right answer is D. Ghaziabad. Which state is the host of Bharat Summit 2025? Right answer is A. Telangana. On which date is National Panchayati Raj Day celebrated annually in India? Right answer is D. April 24. Who has been appointed as the Executive Director of Reliance Industries Limited starting May 1, 2025? Right answer is C. Anant Ambani. On which date is World Veterinary Day observed annually? Right answer is C. April 26. Which application was awarded the Prime Minister's Award for Excellence in Public Administration 2024? Right answer is B. Poshan Tracker. Balikatan is a bilateral military exercise between which two countries? Right answer is A. Philippines and the United States. How many gold medals did India win at the 2nd Asian Yogasana Sports Championship held in New Delhi? Right answer is D. 83. On which date is International Dance Day celebrated annually? Right answer is D. April 29. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more GK updates. See you in the next video.